Hello and welcome to Tutorial 5 of Painting Series 1. In the previous lesson, we started our journey of discovering the magic of tetrachrome and started our basic garment exercise by painting a mauve sleeve. Mauve is a pretty straightforward colour in tetrachrome because when you paint it on the surface it looks mauve. But there are some colours that can be quite tricky, like the green garment that we're going to be doing in this exercise. A colour like green, depending on how we mix it, can quite often require a certain amount of faith that in the end it will actually look green. It's a very subtle green and it needs to be seen in relationship with other warmer colours for it to actually look green. Until next time, keep practicing.